So why have I been working on this for so long? That's a great question, and it's really important that I clarify. It is the same reason Elon Musk has a tunnel building company called the Boring Company. Our cities have a dimensionality problem. We inhabit a 3D space, but our transportation system is mostly limited to ground level. While Musk thinks the transportation of people and large cargo can span virtually infinitely downwards with tunnels, which I agree, my thought was small cargo can span a good chunk of the volume upwards. The time of travel would also decrease substantially, which is great when you're hungry waiting for your meal, expecting the delivery of something nice you bought, or forgot your keys. All of it sitting in traffic. That's the same reason Amazon, DHL, and others have been trying to develop small cargo drones. They all agree this is untapped potential. However, I cannot explain why they went for the concepts they went for. This video is not about technical reasons, so I'll keep this short. They are really hard to land in the presence of wind. And this is something I know a thing or two about. Me and my colleagues developed an autonomous landing algorithm for an oil spill detection drone. The catch is that it should land autonomously on a tiny landing pad on top of a small boat. It's quite a challenge, and I learned a lot. I had already been thinking about ways to increase drone range and speed for years, but then I learned that wind tolerance really mattered. That's why Wing, by the way, hoists the cargo down instead of landing. It works in some scenarios, but not all. Further qualifications. I am also a naval architect and marine engineer, versed in fluid dynamics, mechanical structures, and design. Furthermore, I'm a pilot and a skydiver, so I've had a lot of playtime with air. While I've been doing all of that, I took notice of patronage systems on the web. And I also realized many people are into the development of technology and are willing to contribute to it. And I can tell, support would be very much appreciated. This struck me as a really nice setup for individuals trying to develop innovative technology. Like myself. Hopefully, this sheds light on the motivations behind this development. If you see my reasons and agree, please consider joining the membership program or supporting me on Patreon. There's more innovation coming, and I want to make sure it gets deployed so we can all benefit from it. Okay, cheers.